Alright, first go to the Placeit website and then go to the dashboard. Here you need to log in using the Telegram account where you used the Seed app. Once you're logged in, you'll be on this screen. If you haven't connected your Sui wallet, connect it first. You'll see your connected Sui wallet here. Now to transfer Seed token, you need gas fees. As you can see, I have some amount of Sui on my wallet for the fees. Make sure to have at least 0.5 Sui in your wallet for smooth transaction because I had issue with the amount that I had on my account. Now on transfer, make sure it says from wallet to spending. Make sure you have selected Sui here and transfer around 0.04 Sui first. Make sure you have the Sui extension downloaded and the correct account logged in. Once that's done, click here and now from spending to wallet, send your Seed tokens. Choose the amount you want to transfer and then scroll down and claim your tokens from here. Once that's done, the Seed token should be visible in your Sui wallet. Now to transfer it to any exchanger, for example I'm using KuCoin, go to the deposit and choose Seed token and Sui network. Send your Seed tokens to this address. Seed token will shortly be available in your preferred exchange. As usual, thanks for watching. If the video helped, make sure to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. See you in the next one.